Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. In the previous videos, I showed you how to make a mock-up for this jumpsuit. Today, I'm finally going to give you a review of the finished garment. You can see that it's made of lace. Please be very attentive during the first fitting. Make sure that the upper part is not too tight. The garment should also be slightly loose in the crotch and the hip line. When you try mock-up on, try to sit down in it. Your jumpsuit may fit well when you are standing, but it might be too tight when you sit down. As for me, I can sit in a chair or a couch without any problems. The fittings are very important. Do not think that it's a waste of time. I should say that it's not hard to sew a jumpsuit. A button stand, frills, zip on the front. Later, I'll take the jumpsuit off and put it on the table to show it to you in detail. The waistband is doubled with silk. The details were edged with an overlocker. The pockets are very comfortable. I showed you how to make a pattern for them. You know that it doesn't take much time to do it. The jumpsuit is not oversized, but it's not too tight either. It's very comfortable. I am pleased with the result. I've decided to make two variants, lace one and a dark one with jacquard. I'll show it to you when it's ready. I'm sure that you're gonna love this idea and try sewing jumpsuits. Although it might be not that convenient to spend a whole day in a jumpsuit, it's still a very unusual garment. I love it. Beauty has its price. Jumpsuits are in trend now. If you decide to sew a similar jumpsuit, take into consideration the idea of lace frills with raw edges. I've seen it in some fashion magazines. In a Gucci jumpsuit, I think. Such details look very nice. As for the waistband, there is one button in it. You can make two buttons to fasten it tighter. Decided at a fitting. Of course, you can make a jumpsuit of different color. I wanted to show you the variety of lace we have in my fashion house. Purple, red, light blue, gray, beige, pink. This one is dark blue. It's not black. Just imagine how beautiful such jumpsuits would look like. Buy the lining of the similar color, and you would look very stylish. I hope that now you know how to make jumpsuits. I shared a lot of useful information with you. Now you know how to transform a basic pattern of trousers and bodies for a jumpsuit. You can change the design I showed you however you like. Make 3/4 sleeves. Insert an elastic on the back. Make a sporty jumpsuit with bust pockets instead of frills. Change a collar. Make a round or V-neck. You could add anything you want. There is a great variety of designs. Choose the one you like. Next, I'm going to take the jumpsuit off and show it to you in detail. Have a look at the table. I want to pay attention to the fact that it's very important for any garment, for the center front on the left and the right details to match. It's a must. It doesn't matter whether you're sewing a jumpsuit, a blouse, or a shirt. This rule is the same. In my case, the edge of the fly front marks the center front. The buttonholes are also in the center front. These are the details I'm talking about. Have a close look at the raw edges on the frills. They look amazing. Stand collar, button stand, pleats. I remind you that I've added 7 cm extension for each pleat. I hope you remember that I've cut the extra pieces from the upper edge. Be careful not to cut too much. Do not forget about the fitting ease. We have different lessons about making button stands and collars. By the way, my course on how to sew placket style button stands is available. Buy it if you haven't done it yet. We show you a lot of useful techniques and details. Don't be lazy, practice makes perfect. What's interesting here? Have a look at the fly front. It's lined with silk. I've made a new course for you on how to sew a fly zipper. It's actually a mini course, and it will be available next week. Have a close look at the waistband. It's doubled with the interfacing material and light with silk. It's pretty strong. The pocket bag is edged with the bias binding. The lined jumpsuit may look not that nice from the inside, but silk is very comfortable. Do not be afraid of sewing jumpsuits. It's not that hard. Watch the videos attentively. I showed you how to make a pattern in detail. You can even make an evening version of a jumpsuit. It's in trend now to wear jumpsuits for some special occasions. You will be in the center of attention. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.